Unlock the power of seamless integration and supercharge your app's capabilities by connecting it to thousands of other services with Zapier. In this tutorial, we'll guide you through the exciting process of integrating your custom application with Zapier to enable powerful automation by connecting your app. You'll allow your users to create automated workflows, or Zaps, that move information between your app and other popular services they already use, significantly enhancing your app's value and usability. The first step is to make your app discoverable and integrable with Zapier. This typically involves setting up an API for your application that Zapier can interact with. You'll need to define the endpoints that Zapier will call to trigger events or perform actions. Think of this as creating a communication bridge between your app and Zapier. Once your app is set up for integration, you can begin defining triggers. Triggers are events within your app that initiate a Zap, for example, a new user signing up, a task being completed, or a new record being created could all be potential triggers. You'll configure Zapier to listen for these specific events in your app. For each trigger, you'll define the data that Zapier should collect and pass along. This might include the user's name, email address, the details of a task, or any other relevant information. This data will be used by other apps in the Zap. Next, you'll define actions. Actions are tasks that Zapier can perform in your app or in another connected app in response to a trigger. Examples of actions in your app could be creating a new record, updating a status, or sending a notification. Conversely, Zapier can perform actions in other apps based on events in your app. Similar to triggers, you'll define the data that an action requires. For instance, if the action is to create a new record in your app, Zapier will need to know what information to use to populate that record. You'll essentially map the data received from a trigger or another app's action to the required fields of your app's action. With triggers and actions defined, users can now create powerful Zaps. They can select your app as a trigger, then choose an action in another popular app like Google Sheets, Slack, or MailChimp, or they can use an event from another app as a trigger and have Zapier perform an action within your application. This seamless data exchange and workflow automation significantly enhances the value and usability of your app, connecting it to a vast ecosystem of services. Integrate your app with Zapier today and unlock a world of automation possibilities for your users.